Okay, we remove the bolts and remove the carrier from the reducer. Remove all the bolts from the carriers. Remove cap or carrier with the shims, and always keep the shims with the carrier or cap. This is a shim. It could be metal or plastic. Always keep it with the carrier you take it off with. Remove the pinion from the gearbox, and this is the wear sleeve or wear ring that we have to remove. We support the pinion or worm this way and chisel about three different locations without hitting the pinion. Make sure you don't hit the pinion. There's the wear ring. Remove the old wear sleeve or wear ring. We check this diameter, make sure it's no damage and it's clean. If it is any damage, make sure you sand it smooth. We'll press this wear sleeve on to about 1/8 inch from the chamfer, and you can look at our assembly instruction booklet, give you a reference on that. This is the new air sleeve we're going to put in. Now we put lubrication, grease or oil on it. Set it up on top of the worm. Get a driver that supports on this lip. Piece of pipe or anything like that. And also make sure that you support the pinion without being on the bearing cage on the bottom, so you do not damage the bearing cage. We got the wear sleeve on there. You can put the wear sleeve on with a hydraulic press or a hammer as this, but make sure you support the lip underneath the wear sleeve and do not damage this part of the wear ring. Locate it within 1/8 inch of the chamfer and clean any chips or anything around it. There you go. Now I'm going to remove the old seal. Just take a piece of key stock or something. Do not hit the edge of the carrier. Just pop the old seal out as like this. We have the output shaft removed, so it's easier to put the input pinion in, put it back into the housing. Favorite tool is a hammer. Get the top back into the housing. Make sure you have the same shims and carrier together. Shims and carrier together. Put that on there and put all your bolts in. We have the pinion in, and you make sure there's no sharp edges on the keyway or anything like that. What we do now is grease the outside and inside and outside of the lip, and also put some grease on here. At our factory we have a protection to help to hold the seal and spring together. But if you don't have that, try to find something that sleeve that does work just make sure it's greased very, very well. Put over pinion and find something that's flush to hit the flush with the carrier. There it is. It's flush with the face of the carrier, and you're done.
Okay.
Okay, when you get done, you can see where the wear ring is sticking past the seal lip and the 1/8 inch away from the chamfer, and the outside of the seal is flush with the carrier.